family at welcome po sa second and last segment po ng ating pong Christmas Party 2024 Superheroes and Villains. Muli po ako po si Miss Mao, the singing master of ceremony, and I'd like to thank our beloved boss, Boss Frank, for having me again tonight, and of course kay Ma'am Mary, thank you so much for having me for the second time as part of this very wonderful event. So mag-short plug lang ako, permission to plug my Gloria Marie's family. If you want to check out my showbiz projects, just type in my official hashtag, Mau Ilarda the Sing MC. You can, you already watched me in the following shows in GMA 7 such as Abot Kamay na Pangarap po, Anak, Pepito Manaloto, Attorney Matias, Lilet Matias, Attorney at Law, and the pinaka-recent po ay pinagbibida ni Senator Bong Revilla at Vicky Gonzales, Walang Matigas na Pulis sa Matinig na Misis. Ayan po ay starting December 22, Season 3 po yan. Sa kapamilya shows such as Saving Grace, and soon po ang Batman sa Netflix, and also sa Prime Video, ayan, Saving Grace, pinagbibidaan po ni Julia Montes. And I also had my first independent film, Gloria Marie's Family, as Catalina po sa film na Ako Si Juan. Ayan, muli po maraming salamat. If you want to check my Facebook page, just type in Sing MC Mau Events. So, actually, personally, kung kayo po ay nakaka-relate sa akin, may mga loved ones po tayo na hindi na po natin kapiling sa darating na Pasko. Just like yours truly, that my mother already passed away. And she has not been here for 6 years. Kaya ang awitin pong ito, nag-aawitin ko po para sa inyong lahat, ay para po sa mga nangungulila sa kanila pong mga mahal sa buhay. Ayan. Ito po ay inawit ng Popstar Royalty, Sarah Geronimo. Sana ngayong Pasko, Gloria Marie's Family, once again, ayan, I would like to greet you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I pray that God will give more blessings to Gloria Marie's family. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Enjoy your dinner po at mag-ready na yung ating contestants. Once again, Merry Christmas, Gloria Marie's family. Ako po si Miss Mao, the singing master of ceremony. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako'y maghihintay our contestants are now ready tonight.